Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's just gonna be a quick tutorial on how to make your game look like this to this. But before anything, can you please like and subscribe? I'd really appreciate that. And let's just get right into the video. Peace. Okay guys, for the first step to be making your game more colorful, first you want to go to your desktop. Okay guys, so once you're on your desktop, you should right click your mouse. Once you right click your mouse, a few options should show up, but the option you're actually looking for is NVIDIA control panel. So click that right now. Okay guys, so once you are in your NVIDIA control panel, there should be a few tasks like 3D settings, display, and video. But there should actually only be one option you're looking for, and that is in the display task. And it is called adjust desktop color settings. So click that, and once you click it, a few output adjustments should show up. Okay guys, looking over the output adjustments, the one you're supposed to be looking at is right under it. It's called vibrance. This setting changes the whole color of your screen, so if you like that, you can use it. It doesn't change, it changes the color of your game, but also out of game. So if you like that, you can use it. I personally use it because I like the color. It brightens it, makes it more stand out, I would say. And yeah, that's really it. But also, if you're looking right under it, you can also see hue. Hue is a setting, I believe it's for colorblind people. I'm not colorblind, and I really don't know like how to use it basically. So yeah, that's really, I don't want to really go in depth with it, all of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there. And yeah, I'll show you some clips with the vibrance on and with some off. Yeah, that's really it guys, and peace.
There's three here. There's two more.
You see your legs. I think that's her leg. Shit.
30 seconds
Above you.
left.
He's a shorty.
Oh, let's go.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Oh.